Hi, this is Shraddha Sahu from Besant Technology Electronic City, and today place student story we are sharing, and his name is Sarvan's profile is something different from others' profile. He completed BE in Mechanical Engineering 2018. He has 5 years career gap also, but 3 months before he joined our Salesforce Master Program. But now he got placed as a Salesforce developer with 5 lakh package.
Yeah, this is Saravanakumar. I am from Chennai. I completed my BE Mechanical Engineering at Chennai around 2018. After that, I joined in Besant Technology. I learned Python and Salesforce courses here, and now I recently got placed in a reputed company. I got a good package there, and the manager called Kandapandi and Vignesh helped me more. It's been a great opportunity to give an intro.